everybody, I'm Christine Danchuk, and I am super excited because the Danchuk Trifive Nationals are next week, August 8th through the 10th in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And I have the whole crew here that will be at the show. I've got Roscoe, Mike, Frank, Natalie, and Tammy.
And for those of you who have any questions regarding any of the products or any tech issues regarding your latest Trifive project, you'll have me and Frank Correa there to answer your questions.
And for the first time ever, Danchuk will be selling merchandise. We'll be having our limited edition Danchuk signs, limited edition bandanas, limited edition t-shirts. We also will be having 3 raffles a day for a pair of our Danchuk custom Yeti cups. So stop by the Danchuk merch booth.
And also you're going to want to enter to win the 2020 Trifive Nationals VIP experience that Danchuk's giving away. So make sure you come by our booth and sign up for that raffle. And we'll see you there. It's going to be an amazing show.